In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to trade Topstep using TradingView step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Products. Then scroll down and open the Trading panel. Inside the Trading panel, click on All Brokers. This is where TradingView shows all the platforms you can connect and trade with directly. Now look through the list and search for Topstep. If you see it there, you can connect your account directly by clicking Connect and following the login steps. If you don't see Topstep in the list, don't worry. That simply means it's not directly supported on TradingView right now. In that case, you can use Tradoweight as a bridge. First connect your Topstep account with Tradoweight, then come back to TradingView and connect Tradoweight inside the trading panel. Once connected, you will be able to place trades on your charts through Tradoweight while using your Topstep account. That's it. Now you know how to trade Topstep on TradingView. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.